Welcome back to days 363 to 365 of our Bible in a Year reading plan. Congratulations on reading the Bible in a year. If you have followed along with me since the beginning, you have read 1,189 chapters and over 600,000 words. So congratulations on reading the Bible in a year. I pray that you are blessed by reading the Bible. The Bible really is a wonderful story of God and His creation and how much He loved us in His creation, that He would send His only Son to redeem us from the penalty of death and sin. So I really hope that you have learned something, that you have grown during these days of reading the Bible. I'd love to hear back from you guys about what you've learned as you've taken on this challenge. And I pray that you don't stop reading the Word of God. Now that we've completed this Bible in a Year reading plan, the next reading plan that you should probably tackle is the chronological Bible reading plan, where you read the Bible in historical order. And it just brings so much clarity to what was going on, especially in the Old Testament. But all right, guys, that is the official end of our Bible in a Year reading plan. I pray that you will join me next year as I start our Bible study readings, where I will show you guys how to study the Word of God and take you along as I do my daily Bible study. But all right, have a blessed day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.